Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background in CapCut PC. So basically that I'm going to use this video as a demonstration, but this only works on green screen backgrounds and all that. So you can remove the background, and you can start adding whatever background in the back for your video. So and now what I'm going to do, if I wanted to remove the background, let's say for example this is a green screen, right, and I wanted to remove it, I'm going to just see right here the smart tool right here on your right, click on it, and basically you're going to see a chroma key, toggle this one on, and basically select the color picker right here, that one, and then just select the color of that video. In my case it is mostly brown, so I'm going to just select the intensity of that, of that of that remove, or of that the color picker thickness, and basically I'm gonna hit cancel to apply the settings on my video. All right, and that only works for green screen or blue screen kind of background. Leave me a comment down below if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.